In today's video, I will be sharing with you different ideas in how to store all of your drinking glasses as well as your stemware. In here, I have a handy little organizer which I bought at my local store, and this is excellent because you could store your drinking glasses on the bottom, the small drinking glasses, and then you can store large drinking glasses on the top of this, and you can save a lot of space. Or you can simply use a metal hanging wine glass rack. In here I will be using a tray, and in here I will be placing more drinking glasses. By doing so, I will be saving a lot more space and I will be able to store more glasses on my open shelf. In here I have a hanging wire basket which I have placed under my kitchen cabinet, and I will be storing all of my small drinking glasses. If you do not want to use the metal wire hanging basket under your kitchen cabinet, then you can simply use a metal hanging wine glass rack. In here I have a small little organizer which I bought from my local store, and I will be using this organizer to store all of my drinking glasses on top of my kitchen countertop. This is for the people who do not have a kitchen cabinet, or if they don't have drawers, or if they don't have any open shelving. As you could see, I put all the small glasses on the bottom, and on the top I have a little tray, and I am storing all of my drinking glasses. As you could see here, these are the microwave vents, and you do not want to obstruct these vents with anything. You need to have some sort of ventilation. I had this metal tray made for my microwave, and as you could see, the vents are here and the tray is on the top, so I could easily store anything that I want on the top of my microwave without obstructing the microwave vents. Now, as you could see, I placed a tray and I am placing all of my drinking glasses on top of my microwave. In here I will be placing 2 small baskets, and I will be placing all of my drinking glasses here. As you could see here, I still have some space on my kitchen drawer, and in here I will be placing all of my drinking stemware, and this is a perfect space because it fits perfectly and nothing is gonna bump when I close my drawer. Or you simply can store all of your special occasion glassware on a stemware storage box. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have, please go ahead, give us a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do it now. And thanks for watching. Bye!